In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse your Trello board lists in seconds. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, but sometimes the sheer volume of cards and lists can become visually overwhelming. Fortunately, there's a quick way to streamline your view and make it more manageable. While this method doesn't literally collapse the lists, it does offer a practical way to reduce clutter and focus on what's essential. To get started, you'll first need to log in to your Trello account. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Trello website, and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, head over to the specific Trello board that you want to work on. This could be any board that feels a bit too cluttered or hectic with information. Once you're inside your board, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Just near the board's title, you'll notice a section called the Board View Selector. Click on this. It's a very handy feature that provides different perspectives on your board's information without permanently altering your board's layout. When you've clicked the board view selector, you'll see a variety of options to choose from. For the purpose of reducing visual clutter, you'll want to select either the table view or the timeline view. The table view offers a spreadsheet-like perspective that condenses your lists and cards into a neat, compact form. It's great for when you want to see everything in one glance without having to scroll endlessly across the screen. Alternatively, the timeline view is ideal if you're looking to organize tasks chronologically, giving you a different kind of streamlined look. After you've spent some time in either the table or timeline view and you've gotten a clearer picture of your tasks, you might want to switch back to the classic board view. Doing so is straightforward. Just revisit the board view selector and choose the board option. This way, you can go back to interacting with your list just as you typically would, but with the added context and clarity that the switch of views has provided. A quick tip to remember: although this method doesn't technically collapse your lists, it effectively reduces the visual overload, thus making your Trello board easier to navigate and manage. By toggling between these views, you maintain a flexible and adaptable workspace suited to your evolving project needs. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage the overwhelming visual clutter on your Trello board without altering your workflow permanently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Trello tips and productivity hacks.